something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
Welcome back to our blood.
Vlog, please.
What you doing, man? What are you doing? What kind of move was
This
that?
went off.
What happened?
This was a bad start. No, I
Oh,
can't.
that's a one-way there.
Yeah, I can drive, so.
Boy, I can't drive. Okay, anyhow, welcome back to our channel, guys. So, we're currently in a car. As you can see, we're heading up the mountains. But today's vlog is gonna be a little different because I'm gonna be talking Patois to Alex this whole entire day. The thing is, I think it's gonna be harder for me than it's gonna be for you, because I've been always talking mostly English to you, so it's gonna be, I think I'm gonna break off sometimes. So how do you feel about this challenge, babe?
How do I feel?
Mm-hmm.
I feel that we need maybe some rules.
What kind of rules?
What's gonna happen if and when and what happens if I understand everything that you say?
Then good, if you understand everything.
Yeah, but there must be some reward.
If you score 90% and above, you get a whole full body massage later. What do you say?
The game is on.
Mm-hmm.
May I tell you now?
So, you ready for this?
Me ready, man.
I feel like this is gonna be so challenging for me though, Jesus Christ.
I need to find out the technique. Like, if I don't understand you,
Mm-hmm.
I'll just try to make it sound as if I'm...
As if you understand?
Yeah. But, okay.
Wait.
Since I have something to fight for now,
Mm-hmm.
I'm more pumped about this. I'm way more pumped about this now.
I don't know if it's safe, but yeah. Alright.
I don't know what to say. You
But-
can't say something, no, man. What name this in Jamaica? Roundabout. What name that?
Roundabout.
Roundabout.
Yeah.
So you don't have no sleeping policeman in a roundabout?
No, who puts a sleep?
Jamaican people, them.
Who puts sleeping policeman a roundabout in a Jamaica? Nobody. So you feel ready to go up in a mountain, boy?
You ready for the mountains, them? Mountain, them.
My own language feel foreign to me, like say me not talk Patois.
Foreign for me.
Why you repeat after me for?
Because it sounds nice to me, though.
Mm-hmm. Patois so nice.
I remember in the start when we spoke a lot. Since that time that we first met, we saw each other in Jamaica. We spoke a lot during a full year.
Mm-hmm.
So, as you know, we had a lot of phone calls, right? And you
Yeah.
had this wonderful Jamaican accent, and it was so cute, babes.
Oh. Someone have that no more?
No, you're gone. That gone.
Maybe
gone.
you're right still, cause we don't feel it no more either.
So I don't know why you couldn't maintain that accent.
The Patois only come natural for me, like when I talk to my family. When I talk to Alex, I feel so natural, you know? Because I also talk English. So it's like I always have to break off Patois with English. But yeah, it feels normal in Jamaica. It feels normal in Jamaica. Alright. So which way we are going now?
We'll go through all these roundabouts and then turn right if we reach the mountain.
Alright. Maybe we can show the viewers little of the view where we are going.
You have to be aware of bicycle them. A whole heap of people them a bike on Saturday, you know.
But it seemed like say are you do the challenge and not me. Because are you talk Patois more.
Me want to talk to, you know.
Him talk Patois more than how me supposed to talk Patois. What is?
I want to be able to chat more Patois actually.
But you're really good though, sorry.
Yeah, but
you're really good.
Me can't talk them
Big
more,
word also.
the big word and so.
A long sentence.
More the simplified word.
Simplified version.
Me not know them slang, the lingo. Me not know all of them. We know some of them though.
But you know, forget your true though. If you would have lived Jamaica, it would have been enough.
Yeah, man.
For at least have a daily life.
Maybe a year or two. We could have reached some better level.
You're at a good level, babe. Good level.
Good level. Suppose we have picnic them, baby.
Suppose we have picnic.
Me want picnic them for chat patois, you know.
We picnic them a go chat patois, baby, and I worry about
We
that.
have to make sure them a chat patois.
Of course. We picnic them a go be trilingual. So them a go talk patois, English and Swedish. You know?
All of them.
All of them.
We can't stress picnic them either, you know.
No man, it will come with
We
time.
can't force Norwegian, we can't force Swedish upon them, we can't force patois.
We not go
upon them.
force it, but eventually them are gonna know little. Cause my picnic them have to come to Jamaica every year, at least once a year, twice a year. So them go catch on little by little.
Yeah, man.
I feel.
We now want force
Especially
we can't force right picnic them. Now if you ripe
Can't
natural.
force ripe.
If you ripe natural.
I think force ripe have a different meaning than what you're using it though, but yeah. Still work. We understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Oh, we can show the mountain them now. We are going to head towards. Sit up is all. Sit up is all. Sit up is all. Beautiful, babes. And what you say?
Me serrated
You like it?
mountain street.
Mountain lover.
Them treat me good, man.
Then treat you good? This morning you run up in a mountain. How was the run?
Me tired, man.
You tired?
In the start, I was fighting. I was fighting.
Yeah.
It was heavy if you run up there.
I think you're.
But it went better the more I went. So I have to push myself. All in all, it was a good run. I had a little trouble in the start. I didn't feel up to the normal pace today. I don't know why. What did we do yesterday? I felt so tired this morning.
Yesterday?
But
You didn't do much?
no.
I spent all day washing my hair. And then
Maybe that's why I'm so tired, waiting for you all day. Nah, but it was a good run, of course. Of course. I saw some people on their bikes up there too, bicycles. And it was... Because normally I bring my bike. I just have to do a little fixing, tricksing with it, and I can't bother. I wanna buy it.
I'm sorry if you never get for treat me like you want to treat me. Me nah gonna make you take your dirty foot and walk over me. Not a toy for you to treat how you please. Use me, abuse me, and then you leave. I'm a big girl now, thick skin, strong bones. I'm at your mind, and yes, a girl that knows that karma is a bitch, so I will leave it be. Me nah gonna stress myself and take the work from thee.
Back here, me I'll go bring my bike.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, still be able to rate you because guess what? You know, easy to run up the mountain just so you know. And you do it. I don't know how you do it, but me have to rate you for that. I give you props.
Thanks, man. So how come you big me up so?
Because you're good. And anybody can just run up mountain like that.
So baby, why you love Spain so?
I make me love Spain.
Why you love this place, yeah so?
For one, Spain, we love the climate. That's a one. You see, it's winter season now. I want me in a little tank top. Even though today is a good day though, the sun is out and everything, but yes, good. Another reason, Spain just feel like a middle way between Sweden and Jamaica. So everything right here, man, everything nice. People them airy, people them relax. them social. They don't watch with too much. So all of that. Well, them watch with, but not too bad like how people at Jamaica watch with. But yeah, man, I like Spain. We'll leave too. We'll leave. Would I live in Spain, but one thing would I miss are the food. Like good food. Food not so versatile as Spain, let's eat. People in there have too much bread.
Yeah, too
bread,
much
bread morning and bread night.
Too much
bread, man.
Fit true, man.
And you know, as a Jamaica, we eat bread, you know, but no salt. Jesus Christ. You have to get Canada so sharp, my youth. Yo.
My youth.
I like to drive like Jamaican drivers.
No.
You drive like a Jamaican taxi man.
No, sir.
And you drive like some maddies.
No, sir.
Yeah, Jamaican driver, make a drive, so.
Yeah, baby. Jamaica taxi driver that have whole nother level. That is the wickedest.
Nobody can compare to Jamaica.
Sometimes I not understand how them jeopardize people's lives, so. The wicked.
For real.
Why you say sometimes how the taxi driver them get them license?
Oh, them buy their license.
They buy them license.
Some of them. At least that the other taxi man is when them bad drive them. They say, you buy a license, boy.
Buy a license, boy.
Come on, find out you see you can't drive.
Big girl team, send me nine on the love. Send me nine on the ramping team. Eventually, your true colors will show. I'm in a ramp for cut you off. If all you do is waste my time, no add no value to my life. I have to be selective with my space and my energy.
Tell about digital and the slow, expensive internet. Alright, back later. Now we are here.
But you don't talk difficult patois a bit.
Really?
Most often it's harder to catch the patois when you're talking to someone else. Jamaican origin.
Yeah. That be that till I say it feel more natural like when me have to talk to my mother or anybody, but yeah, always simplified for you. The cloud the low.
We miss Jamaica though, Kem Alex, especially after we spoke about the
food.
The food, I miss Jamaica really bad now.
I know.
The food in. When you go foreign, when you leave Jamaica if you go foreign, the food bad to us, me I tell you.
Alex.
So now I expect something good on your plate when you reach foreign. May I tell you that? Oh, we could have driven up here.
Oh, that's a cute rock.
Or
there.
we could have drove up here. What is it?
Cute.
Drove or driven?
Driven. We could have drive up here, so I'm up, they look nice still. Not lie.
You look pretty today though. Me like your hair.
Thank you.
Like your hairstyle.
Thanks, babes.
Okay. So what happens now then, Kem Alex?
I bought them my car. We're hungry, so I go look something to eat. And yeah, and then we just got this view where Alex bring me yesterday. So we're gonna go there.
Yeah, I want to finish off there.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do that now. Eat something, put in our belly. What do you say,
Okay.
Alex? What you feel for?
Boy, it's not much to choose in Spain. Tapas, cerveza.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so just gonna head to the car now and then see you again when we reach at the restaurant. This is what we talk about when we say, oh, let me just spin a bread. The first thing they put on the table, bread. bread.
Bread.
How you feel now, babes?
The dead cat is almost dropped in. No, I'm good. I'm a little hungry. And it was a good journey up there at the mountains. And we got to meet this Swedish couple also. Really cool.
Oh.
So beautiful. They were doing van life. So we just spot them because I saw that their license plates were Swedish. So
Yeah.
jumped out of the car and spoke a little with them. It was nice.
Well, that did nice still because as me and you know, we want a van life too.
We do.
One day in the future.
Yeah.
So hopefully that can work out for you. We don't know yet. But we're talking like long future though, not like in the next 2 years, 1 year. So maybe long to come. Yeah, but the co-op did nice
It's a
still.
little chilly though, isn't it?
Yeah, cold.
Cold?
Not cold, more like chilly. Yeah, chilly. Sweden is cold. This is not. But can you imagine though, if we did that Sweden now, the place would that night long time. They didn't so short as Sweden.
Maybe about 3-4 o'clock already by now. Darkness, yes.
It is dark now. And here we still have full day. Oh, the food comes.
Food at home.
Mucho viento. El viento me dobla la bandeja. Sí, es verdad, se me cae.
Gracias.
Bueno, las patatas, la ensaladilla
Perfecto.
y el magro y las alitas.
Gracias.
Buen provecho.
Nice. So, you hungry now?
Me hungry. I have to eat now, babe.
So yeah guys, we're hungry now. We're gonna mash up the food. You're gonna mash it up, Alex?
Yeah, we'll mash it up. Mash up the plate. Straight up belly.
So,
We
see
end this at home.
we see you soon. Alright, so we finally reach. Try to reach before night come down. And we almost catch it though, but we make it somehow. So we're walking up the hill to show you guys the viewpoint. And yeah, hope
Move
you...
your bumper now, girl. Yeah, make it.
Yeah, it won't take long though. Not gonna take long. Your dog my back for yesterday.
I think there will be a beautiful sunset, babes.
I hope so. I hope so.
No, me hope so.
I hope so. I hope so. So we reach babes.
Yes.
Woo.
We reach.
I hope the
Here we
view.
are.
I hope the view will look good though. Oh, like yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Oh shit. Pretty. My God. Look on the sunset there, boy. My.
Joe BJ.
Alright, guys, so.
But baby, let me ask you one thing. How did I do
You did really well. It's almost like it wasn't your challenge. It wasn't your challenge. It was more my challenge because I think he spoke more patois than I did.
I'm trying. I'm just trying.
No, it just turned out.
Probably just make a fool out of myself even trying.
No,
But
you
it's fun,
didn't.
it's
You
fun.
didn't. You
It's
didn't.
fun,
You
fun.
didn't. But yeah, it was pretty cool.
But you know, it actually means that I get a nice
Massage later. He does. You deserve it. By the way, the music that you hear me playing in this video is from my friend called Joby J.
Big up Joby J.
It's a really good song, Joby. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm so proud of you. You guys can go and check her out. Her Instagram is called Joby J Music. So I'll put it in the description down below so you guys can check, click it and check her out and just give it a listen. Okay guys, so it's been a full 24 hours. Baby did really good. And I'm so happy I finally get to switch to English again.
But you didn't do it that challenging for me though.
Maybe I did.
You went pretty easy on me.
Maybe I did.
Yeah.
That's because I love you so much.
I hope I didn't make a fool out of myself trying to talk patois. I'm just doing my best. I'm just trying to.
No, I'm pretty sure the subscribers appreciate it, huh?
All right.
So guys, thank you for tuning in this video. Once more, you guys have been so loyal. And our new watchers, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. I will see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Big girl ting, send me nine and a laughing ting, send me nine and a ramping ting. Eventually your true colors will show. I'm in a ramp, forgot you all. If all you do is waste my time, no add no value to my life. I have to be selective with my space and my energy. I have to be selective with my space and my energy. My energy.